In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project in Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a shareable link and send direct invitations so teammates or stakeholders can access your work without any confusion. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Base44 app. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, look for the Apps section. You'll typically find it in the main navigation. Click it to view the projects available to you. This brings up your list of apps or projects organized by your workspace. From here, choose the project you want to share. In our example, we're opening a project called Everlasting Echoes, but you'll simply select your own project from the list. Make sure you're selecting the correct one by checking the name and thumbnail if available. Opening the project loads its editor or preview, which is where the sharing controls live. Inside the project, locate the Share button. It's usually positioned at the top of the interface. Click Share to open the sharing panel. This panel centralizes your options, making it easy to choose between sending a link or inviting people directly via email. If you want a link you can paste into chat, a document, or a task, click Copy Share URL. This instantly copies the project's shareable link to your clipboard. As a best practice, paste the link somewhere safe first to confirm it copied correctly. If your organization manages permissions, make sure the link's access level matches your intent, like view only for reviewers or broader access for collaborators. If you prefer to invite people directly, use the email invitation option in the same sharing panel. Click to start sending an invitation via email. You'll see a field where you can type in the recipient's email address, enter the email carefully, and double-check spelling to avoid bounced invites. Some setups allow multiple addresses. If so, separate them as indicated in the field's placeholder. Consider adding a short message for context so recipients know what they're opening. When you're ready, click Send Invitation. The system will deliver an email with a link that takes recipients straight to the project. After sending, you can return to the sharing panel anytime to copy the link again, add more recipients, or review access if needed. That's it. You've opened Base44, navigated to your project, used the Share button, copied a Share URL, and sent invitations by email. Follow these steps and your project will be in the right hands in just a few clicks.